If you want to uninstall Epic Games Launcher on Windows 11, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to remove it completely using the built-in Windows settings, so you don't have to waste time searching through folders or trying risky methods. This is perfect if you no longer use the launcher, want to free up space, or just need to clean up your PC. And before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, on your keyboard, press Windows +I to open the Settings app. This is the fastest way to get into your system settings without clicking around the Start menu. Once Settings opens, look at the left side and click on Apps. Inside the Apps menu, select Installed Apps. This page shows you every app currently installed on your Windows 11 computer. Now take a moment to wait for the list to load, because depending on how many apps you have, it may take a few seconds. After the list appears, use the search box to find Epic Games Launcher. You can type the name directly into the search field to make it easier to locate. Once you see Epic Games Launcher in the list, click the three dots on the right side of the app entry. A small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, click Uninstall. Windows will ask you to confirm that you really want to remove the app, so go ahead and confirm the uninstall. After that, the uninstallation process will begin. Just wait for it to finish, and once it's done, Epic Games Launcher will be removed from your Windows 11 system. That's it. You've successfully uninstalled Epic Games Launcher. If your goal was to free up space or stop the launcher from running on your PC, this is the quickest and safest method to do it. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.